my observations on life. When we start living a life, we may face some challenges and we need to face it. That's why it is said that life is full of experiments. Sometimes we learn from our mistake and sometimes from others' mistake. But it is always wise to learn from the mistake of others. Some people say life is full of dreams and some say it is an empty dream. So it is the way we accept. Winners are always positive and losers are negative. Winners never quit and quitters never win. Attitude is everything. Quitters sometimes quit before start due to lack of belief. Belief releases creative powers and disbelief puts the brakes on. When we start walking, we may fall down, but when we stand up, we are not in same place. We have advanced a little. So when we fail, we should celebrate it because we learned from it. And we should celebrate our success as we have achieved from it. So in both the cases, we need to celebrate. When we take a decision, 50% work is done. Rest 50% depends upon action. The definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over and expecting different result. We need to change our habit for a better lifestyle. And it needs only 21 days to make or to break a habit.